All right, Deb, you ready for the cold front?
I am ready for some cooler weather.
It's going to feel really good. I mean, we're not getting it tomorrow, okay? So we've got one more day of the warm soup before we get this cold front in. Outside tonight, we do have a warm and humid night, but this cold front still has a lot of real estate to cover. So the changes are coming, and I'll show you the exact timing and how much rain and where we can expect it to fall. But first, let's take a look outside at 410 and Military. Again, a warm and humid Monday night, 74, and Dew Point not far away, 71. So with only a 3-degree difference, 91% humidity. Remember, when those numbers match, our air is saturated. We go to 100% humidity. That's what happens by morning. And you see those east-southeast winds are light, so that's going to help develop fog. Boy, only a few degrees away from a 2010 record of 91 as we hit 88 this afternoon. In fact, look at the low, 71, closer to the average high, which is now at 79. So we should be around 57 in the mornings. All right, tomorrow morning, not 57, warm and humid. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s, and we're going to go with a 20% chance of some light rain in the morning. This is going to be in association with the fog. So it would be more of a misty drizzle, nothing measurable. But the fog's going to start about 6 to 7 a.m. and be a part of our rush hour until about 8:30 or 9. Visibility doesn't look too bad. Brief and mostly over the hill country as far as the lowest out there on Tuesday morning. You see the dew points, I mean, they're going to stay over 70, and as the lows drop to that same number, we're definitely going to have a lot of moisture at the surface. Now, look at this system. You heard about, of course, the bomb cyclone on the West Coast. Bomb cyclone is a term used when pressure just bottoms out. In a low-pressure cyclone, just like this one and just like this one, if the millibars drop by at least 20 degrees, or 20 millibars, I should say, in 24 hours, we call it a bomb cyclone. It's just when the bottom falls out, and these storms are big. Well, you can see the trough that develops, okay? It's not that the bomb cyclone's coming to Texas, but it is going to be the anchor of the system that brings the cold front through. So all this upper air energy right here leads to a lot of instability, leads to a lot of lift and buoyancy in the atmosphere, and that leads to severe storms. So North Texas will have a better chance than us as that surface front comes through. But you can see it's not going to be here till Wednesday morning. I mean, we've got a lot of ground to cover before it gets here. So during the day tomorrow, maybe a couple of quick little showers, in and out, 30% chance. By tomorrow night, we're dry, and then here we go. 4 a.m. Wednesday, Fredericksburg, Kerrville, the line begins to develop out ahead of the front, swings into San Antonio by 6 a.m. Wednesday morning, and swings through by mid-morning. I mean, it's one quick shot. I think on the high end, an inch of rain. On the low end and the average, probably about half an inch at best. So 30% chance tomorrow, 85, a warm, humid day tomorrow. It's not going to feel different until Wednesday morning when the front gets here. 60% chance of AM storms, and then a clear, windy afternoon. And then look at this weather. I mean, beginning Thursday and heading for several days, some beautiful fall weather in place, Deb.
Ooh, I can't wait.